Seed starting pots, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic for all you gardening enthusiasts and English language learners: seed starting pots. Whether you're looking to start your garden or just curious about gardening terminology, this video is for you. We'll break down everything you need to know about seed starting pots, making it easy to understand and apply in your gardening adventures. So, let's get started. Seed starting pots are small containers used to start plants from seeds before they are transplanted into larger pots or directly into a garden. These pots provide the perfect environment for seeds to germinate and grow into young seedlings. They can be made from various materials, including plastic, peat, paper, or even biodegradable substances. The key feature of seed starting pots is their size and design, which are specifically made to cater to the needs of developing plants, offering adequate space for roots to grow and making it easier to manage moisture levels. Using seed starting pots has several benefits. Enhanced germination. By controlling the environment closely, seeds can germinate more effectively. Easy transplanting. These pots often make the process of moving the young plant to its final growing spot much simpler, especially if the pots are biodegradable. Disease prevention. Starting seeds in sterile pots and soil can help prevent diseases that could harm the plants at a vulnerable stage. Space efficiency. They allow you to start many seeds in a relatively small area, which is great for those with limited space. Selecting the right type of seed starting pot is crucial for the success of your seedlings. Consider the following factors. Material. Biodegradable pots are great for reducing transplant shock, while plastic pots can be reused. Size. Make sure the pot is big enough to support the seedling until it's ready to be transplanted. Drainage. Good drainage is essential to prevent waterlogging and ensure healthy root development. Here's a quick guide on how to use seed starting pots. 1. Fill the pot with a suitable seed starting mix, a lightweight soil that promotes good root development. 2. Plant the seeds according to the package instructions, usually at a specific depth. 3. Water gently to moisten the soil without displacing the seeds. 4. Place the pots in a warm, well-lit area and keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. 5. Watch for germination and continue to provide care as the seedlings develop. We hope this video has shed some light on what seed starting pots are and how they can be a game changer in your gardening projects. Remember, starting your plants from seeds can be a rewarding experience, giving you control from the very beginning of the plant's life. With the right seed starting pots, you're well on your way to a thriving garden. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!